For decades, this church stood abandoned, forgotten by people, but not by history. Before restoration could begin, every crack, every weakness had to be discovered. Years of decay filled every corner. It was finally time to clear the past away. A strong future starts with a stronger foundation.
Concrete's live!
This church was about to get a second chance. Stone by stone, skilled craftsmen brought history back to life. The roof that once protected generations was rebuilt to stand for generations more. Hidden beneath years of damage, beautiful colors were waiting to shine again. Every detail mattered. Every piece of wood carried a story worth preserving. History remained untouched, but modern technology quietly moved in. With every finishing touch, the church looked closer to its former glory. After months of dedication, the forgotten church stood magnificent once again. From abandoned ruins to breathtaking beauty, this is what happens when history is saved. Would you save this historic church? Let us know in the comments below.